Hi guys, and thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Benoit. Today I will prepare a classic, really a classic French and family recipe, the pot-au-feu, literally the pot on the fire, which is another form of beef stew. Its origin goes back to the Middle Age and France's 13th century. Pretty ancient, eh? And you would definitely eat it with a red wine from Bordeaux or Burgundy. What you will need to make a pot-au-feu for 4 is 1 pound of beef for a stew or chuck steak. The shoulder of the beef, as a matter of fact. Some bone marrow. A couple of cloves. 1 medium-sized onion. 7 ounces of carrots. 4 ounces of turnips.
French word of the day.
The French word of the day is navet for turnip. Navet. Don't ever say never to navet. 2 leeks. 1 bouquet garni. It's a mix of thyme and bay leaves. Add meat, bone and 66 fluid ounces of water to a Dutch oven and slowly take it to a simmer. Skim well. Then season to taste with salt and pepper. Add the turnips and carrots, peeled and cut in 2. Add leeks, washed and cut in 2. I'm inviting you to check on YouTube the best way to wash leeks. Add the peeled onion with the cloves planted into it. When simmering, skim again. Then cover for 3 hours over low heat. Serve in soup plates with potatoes, pasta, or spinach. You can eat the meat with homemade mayonnaise. Check on Cooking with Benoit's video about homemade mayonnaise. Yes, it's pretty good. I hope you enjoy watching this video, so please give a thumb up to show your support. You may also want to comment and let me know what you think about this recipe. Also subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel to be notified of any new video we would publish. it helps us a lot. In the meantime, merci, au revoir et à bientôt.